Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another edition of our online class. And though it's been a while, I actually posted video here. I've been very busy, but out of my busy schedule with some demand, I think one of our subscribers was asking. He said he will want a configuration of how you can go about a 14-line configuration. I think that should be a freestanding. It can't be the one on top of the fence. It should be a freestanding if you're having 14 lines. Then also, somebody was asking that he needs a NEMTEC certification. Now, if you want that, if you want a link, I can send you a link regarding that. You just chat me up if it's up via my WhatsApp. I'll send you a link how you can reach them, but you just have to write the exam and pass to a reasonable level before you be certified. So that's for that. But for today, I want to talk about the configuration of a 14-line cables or 14-line wires. You have a bracket, and most of this bracket that comes in 14-line, most times they can be a freestanding. Let's say we have one. This is one of the stand here, and we have another. We'll have the other here. Let's go. Let's count. Line 1, line 2. Line 3, line 4, line 5, line 6, line 7, line 8, line 9, line 10, line 11, line 12, line 13, line 14. That's 14. Yes, 14. He said 14. And this is it. Let's say we have other pegs here. Let me just draw, assuming this is another peg, another pole standing here. Okay. So let's count them. Let's number them. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 14 lines. Okay, these are the lines, and this is let's say this is a full plot, What you should understand, we need to start configuring them, giving them which should be the life. And what you need to understand first is to first make your first line live and the last live. So you're able to secure both the top and the bottom. So the highest and the least. So the other thing I should look out for, I should want to use the configuration we use for the 8 lines kind of configuration. Having 2 live, 1 earth, 2 live, 1 earth. Let's see if that works. Should we try that? Or let's try that. Let's say live, earth, live, earth. Okay. Live, earth, live, earth, live. Okay, yes, it works. Yes, live. Good. So the best configuration we can use here is using the live, earth, live, earth, live, earth, live, earth, live. So why I'm using this is to make sure we have earth around most of the life, so your earthing is not far, just to make that shock. By the time somebody tries to play around here, you must have your earth, because it is your earthing that boosts your shock. So what we need to do here, we have this kind of configuration, so is to take where are we going to feed the energizer from? Let's feed the energizer from this very point. Okay, let's say we have our energizer here. I hope you can see this. This is one of the output. This is out, return. This is for the live, and you have your earth here. This is for earth, both return and out. So let's say we are taking the out first. This go all the way, and I hit this out. Okay, so now I get to the next live here. I link this one up at the extreme. This is another one here, is coming here. I take this one, back to the next live. Okay, we have another live here. This one feeds the nest, and this is a live, and it's going from here to this other one. Let me just make the movement of the current, moving in this direction, gets here, comes up, return, is returning. Okay, so you understand, gets here, goes up, okay, here, gets here, returns from this also, okay, it gets here, returns. So this is live and this is live. This other live moves and hits the next live. So it continues all the way. This one gets here. The next live is here. So I hit this. I continue the direction of movement of my current. Then this one, the next one with close to it is a live. I hit this and I go. Okay. Now I get here, then I'm going to move to the next live, which is this. Okay. Here, this gets to the last one at the top. Okay. Now, so this is the last. There's no more live for me to feed. All I need to do is to take this one back to the energizer. So this one come all the way to the energizer. So this is a complete circuit of how you link or connect a 14 lines energizer. So your earth can come out here. Let's feed that earth. You can just take an earth from here. Okay, this can hit this. This earth joins with this one, joins with the next one here. Okay, this one marries to the other one here. So if you want to do a tool, let's say where you have if you don't want to loop your earth here, default this earth terminal is looped. But if you want it such that you don't want to loop it, you want to bring the earth so that your earth immediately the lines are open for the earth, the alarm goes off too. You can take this last one, bring it same way, and hit this terminal. So that's for that. And you can also decide not to bring it down here, just loop this, close this. So when your live is the live cable get caught or breach, if it's caught, it triggers the alarm. So also your earth also, with what we've done here, if anything happens to the earth, it triggers your alarm. Then all you need to do is to take any of this one to your general mass of earth. Bury. Some persons were even asking questions, do I need to just hit my earth rod to the ground? Yes, that's what you need to do. Hit it, but try and make sure your spacing, the first earth rod is not too far from your energizer. Let's say 20 meters, 30 meters from your energizer. Let's say 20 meters is the ideal. Then the others can be 40 meters apart from each other, depending on the spans of your should I say the perimeter. So when this one gets here, take this to the ground, you knock your earth to the ground, you hit this to the ground, and you tie this, terminate it to the earth rod. So that is all we'll be having for today. Like I said the last time, I may want to move to other areas, other security devices that I want to teach us, like gate automation or CCTV. But just because some persons I'm still getting some questions on this, and though I've not been around, but I'll try as much as possible to see the next course we'll be talking about. If it's going to be CCTV installation, then I may just hit that. I'll be in that series, just be on that series for a particular period of time to move to the next.